Now, this is how you can add a bell icon on a YouTube video. So there are two things which you might mean, and let's get into both of them. At first, if you are just watching YouTube on their app or on their website and there you are looking for the bell icon, the bell is going to appear after you subscribe to their channel, which means that at first you need to decide whether or not you are subscribing, and after that you get the ability to choose and click on the bell, which is the notifications for their uploads. So if you decide to go with the subscription, the bell is going to pop up later, and then you can decide if you want to be notified about every video or just some randomly based on the algorithm. So yeah, this is up to you. On the other hand, the second approach is to add the bell icon into the actual video that you upload to YouTube as a creator. In this situation, you need to use a video editor for it. So you might use it on the iPhone or on your computer. It is up to you, but a video editor is going to be required. For instance, if you're using CapCut, for example, which is pretty good, there you can just import and start editing your video clips. And there, if you want to add the bell icon or any image on top of this, you can click the plus button, then go to the photos and pick the picture, which might be the bell or whatever else. Just place it there. It's going to appear as part of the timeline, so you can select it there and choose the overlay feature, which is going to put it on the top of the existing video. Obviously, every video editor has it slightly different, but it kind of works the same way. The principle is the same no matter which video editor you use. So that's how you can ensure that the bell is going to be there throughout the video. You can even enlarge the image, spread it across the whole thing. So yeah, that's how you can ensure that the bell is going to be there. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Whichever problem of these two you were having, let me know about that. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I'm going to see you in the future video.